what the theme is. What's the theme?
It's birthday.
Frosting.
Those aren't themes. There's always a theme.
There's always a theme.
Okay, guys, I've always been into Chrome themes, so but I noticed that there wasn't much documentation out there, so I created and made an example theme you seeing right now. This tree, or this green, everything here, I did it, and I did a reference website too, like that. So you can visit on theme.mapamaze.com and you can see everything about Chrome themes. Okay? I'm gonna teach you how to make a Chrome theme because everyone needs a Chrome theme and I like it very much. So let's go. Okay, guys, here I'm inside the folder where I keep my created themes, and the first thing to do to create a theme is to make a folder, and you need to make this folder with the theme's name, and I will call Dark Mouse. And inside this folder, you need to create a file called manifest.json. Okay? This file holds all the theme's info, like its color and images. Once that's done, I will set up the basic structure, its basic structure. Sorry. But in this repo, you can see I have a file with everything you can put on manifest.json. So I will copy that and paste here. So I will remove every property. I will let just the categories, I don't know how to say that. So here I have my theme. I will rename that to Dark Mouse. Short name is like mouse. And I'm the author. And okay, looks okay. Okay. The next step is to create a folder for your images. Right here, I will call images. So you can put all the images you're going to use. Like I will use the dark mouse. It's very bad image, but in the version 2 I will fix it. And I will use this image from my another theme called MapAmaze. This image is my signature. So I will teach you how to use your image as your signature. Okay, but before we move on, I need to show you how we preview our theme. Okay, so you need to go to your Google Chrome. So you need to go in extensions. I don't know where it is. Here, manage extensions. You click here, and you will click on developer mode, then load unpacked. We will load the example theme just to demonstrate. So I will click on the folder name. Here is the dark mouse, but I want to show the example theme. So this is the example theme. We can open a new tab and see the example theme. And look what's here. This is my signature from that image. So I will teach you how to put your signature. Let's remove the theme that we placed like that and go back to the code. Okay, here I need to copy two properties on images. I will use from my another theme. like I have many properties in images, but this is the two more important. So I will copy that and put like here, and I will change the name to dark mouse. And this is how you do the signature that I said. You need to do this property called attribution, okay? It's different. So backgrounds and attribution. And we have another three properties in properties, okay? These properties I will talk about that. So I have background alignments on bottom and background repeat. I don't want to repeat. So, and I want the Google logo to be neutral. So I will save that. And before we continue it, let me show a site because you can see these properties on my reference sites. I built a site called theme.mapamaze.com. Okay, so you come here, you will see my example tutorial. Is not a complete documentation, but you have a lot of documentation. Okay, so here we have an example of how I did the example theme. So, but like here on the left, we have theme properties and images. We have a lot of properties on images. Okay, so I explain here how you use the attribution. Okay, and how we put the background. Okay, theme and NTP background. And here we have the display properties, like the logo of Google, okay, and the alignments of background, like center, bottom, and the repeat on X, repeat on Y, or repeat everything all axis, okay? So I will now load my extension, my dark mouse, and let's, oh, it doesn't work. Why? Why it doesn't work? So we have map maze. Oh, it's not dark mouse, it's mouse. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that works. Let's see. So we have the worst mouse I see in my life, and I regret that image, but I will not change. Let's let's give to the version 2. But we have the mouse, okay? This is the mouse, and now we will make the colors, make the chrome like more darker to combine with the dark mouse. This is a blue mouse. I didn't like the color, but okay, okay. Let's continue. All right. Now let's tweak the colors a bit. I will take the properties from example again, but now from colors. So I will have three colors here. Remember that we have a lot of properties, and you can see one and test one on one, okay? One by one, sorry. But here I will use the three main properties that you can see. That is the two bar button icon and button. I don't know how to say this word. And an NTP background. Okay, so I will use these three and put here, and then I will take some numbers. I will change that to 45, 46, and 56. Okay, and this one's to 219 and 219 and everything. Okay, and here we have 75, 96, and 117. Let's see how the theme are like now. Let's load. And we have a dark theme. It's not good, but you you can understand how to create a theme, so you can create a better theme than me. So let's just the last thing we will change is the color of the tab. So property here on line 24, we have the background tab. Note that this is not RGB, okay? This is HSL. It's a different type of color, okay? So I will copy that and paste here. And I like this color, so I will leave it as is, okay? These colors are good, and let's see. Let's see. Load packet. And here it is. We have now, there you have it. Here we have a Chrome theme. It's not a beauty theme, but it's a theme. And if you like to distribute this theme, you just need to take your folder and zip that and send to Google. Okay? See ya. Oh, you can give me a like if you want. Okay?